Today, we're diving into a really wonderful story called Max's Muddy Mystery. Now, it's a super fun adventure, but it's also got a pretty important lesson hidden inside about earning money and, why working for something can make it feel extra special.
Just think about that for a second. That one thing you just couldn't get out of your head. Well, that's exactly where our story kicks off, with a boy named Max who has a very specific and, let's be honest, a very delicious craving. All right, first up, Max's big wish. Let's meet our hero, Max, and find out what he's dreaming about. So the story goes, Max loved ice cream more than anything. Chocolate, vanilla, and even rainbow swirl. "I really want one today," Max said with a smile. I mean, who can blame him, right? Rainbow swirls sounds amazing. But as we're about to find out, just wanting something really badly isn't always quite enough. So what does he do? Max runs to his room to check his money jar, and you hear that sound? Clink, clink. Oh, that's the worst sound, isn't it? The sound of an empty jar. Nothing came out. Oh no, it's empty. So Max has hit his first big problem, and that ice cream dream just got a whole lot more complicated. So what happens now? Well, this brings us to part 2, a muddy opportunity. It's kind of funny how sometimes a problem, like an empty money jar, can actually point you straight toward the solution. Max goes to his mom and asks, "Mom, can I have some money for ice cream?" Now his mom smiles and says something that is maybe the most important line in the whole story. Money doesn't just appear, Max, but you can earn some. And that one little idea, it changes everything for him. His mom points to these really muddy garden tools. "If you clean these tools," she said, "I'll give you a few coins." Now Max looks at all that mud and thinks, that's a big job. So he's got a choice to make, right? Is that rainbow swirl ice cream actually worth getting his hands dirty? And that brings us to the big turning point in our story. Part 3, hard work pays off. Let's see what Max decides to do. He does it. The story says Max rolled up his sleeves and got to work. Scrub, scrub, splash. You can just picture it. The mud was super messy, for sure, but here's the most important part. Max didn't give up. He had his eye on the prize, and he was determined to get there. And when Max finished, his mom smiled. "Well done," she said, and she placed the coins right in his hand. You can just imagine his eyes sparkling, and you can feel the pride in his voice when he says, "I earned these." See, he didn't just get the coins, he achieved something to get them. He puts the coins into his jar. Clink, clink. Now listen to that sound. It's so different from that empty clink, clank from before, isn't it? This is the sound of success. It's the sound of hard work turning into a real reward that he can actually hold. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for. Let's see how this all comes together in our final section, the sweetest reward. So soon enough, Max is at the ice cream shop. He takes a big bite and says, "This ice cream tastes extra good because I earned it myself." And that's really the whole point, right? The ice cream didn't change, but it felt different. It felt better, all because of the hard work he put in to get it. So the big lesson from this entire story really just boils down to this one simple, powerful idea. Max wanted something. He couldn't just have it. He had to put in the work, put in the effort, and through that, he was able to earn the money for his reward. So let's end with a question for you. It doesn't even have to be about money. It could be about getting a good grade or winning a game, or even just finishing a really tricky puzzle. What's something you've worked hard for that felt extra special just because you knew deep down that you earned it?